Hello, welcome to another video. Today we are making condensed milk at home. Yes, you just need two ingredients to make this delicious condensed milk. That is whole milk and sugar. So I'm going to be using 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of milk powder, and also 1 cup of sugar. So now that I have my whole milk, liquid milk, and then powdered milk in the pan, there is no fire. I'm just going to mix all this together. I have not put on any flame yet, so I'll mix it and then now add my sugar, which is also 1 cup. I'll be putting the measurements in the description box below. So without flames yet, I'm going to mix all this together and make sure that the sugar and then the powdered milk is well dissolved. You have to actually mix this so well that everything dissolves nicely. Please, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe and like this video as well. When you subscribe, please turn on the bell notification. So everything have melted and I just kept it on low to medium flame. Okay, so this is how it looks like after the sugar has melted. So this is on low to medium flames, and you have to continue stirring this one. You don't have to let it caramelize right now. You don't have to let it burn under. So you continue stirring it continuously. Just keep on stirring it for some time. It will take a while before it starts to simmer. So as you are stirring it for some time, it will begin to boil, to begin to simmer. So the color has changed over time. So now from now onwards, you'll be stirring it from time to time, not continuous any longer. So but it's still watery. You have to put it on low flame. Now I go ahead to add a little bit of margarine. This is optional, guys. I just did that because I needed it to have this margarine color, this yellowish color. I needed my condensed milk to have a very nice and creamy color. So yes, it's optional. If you don't have, no problem, you can still do your margarine, you can still do your condensed milk without the margarine or butter. So yep, it also adds some smoothness to your condensed milk. So this has been simmering and cooking for like 45 minutes to an hour, and this is how it looks like right now. It has reduced by half. This is how you tell if your condensed milk is ready, if the size of the quantity of the milk and sugar has reduced by half. So I just kept off the flame and I'm going to allow this to cool completely. This is how it looks like after it has cooled completely. Yes, I'm pouring this into my jar. For the measurement of the milk and the sugar, it is, if you are using whole liquid milk, you need 4 cups of the whole liquid milk to 1 cup of sugar. But in this my case, I have just 2 cups of whole liquid milk, so I added 1 cup of powdered milk to it. So if you don't have powdered milk, then you have to be using 4 cups of whole liquid milk to 1 cup of sugar. Yes, so this is how thick it looks like. If it hadn't cooled completely, it is not going to be thick. It will still be watery or too liquid if it is still hot. So you have to let it cool completely. This is our condensed milk. Guys, I really do appreciate you guys. You can use it for a lot of recipes also, or you can use it as your breast spread. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do like this video and share to your friends and family, and subscribe if you are new. Bye.